Determine the value of the sum of squared deviations for the following population data. And my data is 4, 5, 2, and 7. And my formula for the sum of squares, in this case I'm just going to do the definitional formula. So this is the sum of x minus, now here's the part where I need to be careful, this is population, so I'm going to write in the population mean. And what do I need to do to get that? My population mean is the sum of x over n, big N. And so what do I have here? I've got the sum of x is equals to 4 plus 5, that makes 9, 10, 11, and then this brings me up to 18. So I've got 18 divided by 4. 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. So when I'm looking at the order of operations and a formula like this, I can see that I've got addition, I've got brackets, I've got subtraction, and I've got exponents. I'm going to do the subtraction, even though it's supposed to come at the end, I'm going to do the subtraction first because it's inside of my brackets. So I'm going to be subtracting the population mean. So 4 minus 4.5 is negative 0.5. This will be positive 0.5. This is positive 1.5. And, oops, no, sorry, I'm doing these wrong. 5 minus 4.5, that is positive 0.5. 2 minus 4.5 is negative 2.5. And 7 minus 4.5 is positive 2.5. And you can see as your check that you could perform at this step, when you add these up, they come out to be 0, which is what we like to see. Finally, actually not finally, the next thing we do is we move on to the exponents, which means we square all of these values. And so that's going to be 0.25, 0.25. I think that that is 6.25, and this is also 6.25 when I square my value of 2.5. And then I can add these up. So this gives me, what, 12.5, another 0.5, this gives me 13. So my sum of squares is the sum of my squared deviations, and it comes out to be 13. So my answer here is 13.